vicious, purposefully unkind or violent in behavior. Example: the vicious dog attacked anyone who came near. Insolent, showing a disrespectful and arrogant attitude. Example: the student was punished for his insolent remark. Frivolous, not having any serious purpose or value. Example: she spent money on frivolous items instead of saving. Neglect, fail to care for properly. Example: the old house fell into disrepair due to neglect. Impartial, treating everyone the same and being fair. Example: the judge was impartial during the trial. Defiant, standing up strongly against authority or a force that is against you. Example: the defiant child refused to go to bed. Erratic, not even or regular in pattern or movement, it changes in a way you can't predict. Example: his driving was erratic, swerving from side to side. Imposing, something that is very large or looks really impressive and stands out. Example: the castle was an imposing structure on the hill. Impulsive, doing something without thinking about it first. Example: he made an impulsive decision to buy the car. Tenacious, holding on strongly, not giving up and staying focused. Example: the tenacious lawyer fought hard for his client. Indispensable, absolutely necessary means something is very important and you must have it. Example: her knowledge of the subject made her indispensable to the team. Condescending, acting like you're better than someone else. Example: his condescending tone made everyone uncomfortable. Ingenious, smart, full of new ideas, and creative in a unique way. Example: her ingenious solution solved the problem quickly. Dubious, hesitating or doubting. Example: He gave a dubious answer when asked about his whereabouts. Reluctant. Not really willing and feeling unsure about it. Example: she was reluctant to share her secret. Tedious. Too long, slow, or boring, making you feel tired or uninterested. Example: the lecture was so tedious that many students fell asleep. Eloquent. Good at speaking or writing in a way that sounds smooth and convincing. Example: the politician gave an eloquent speech. Obnoxious. Something that is very bad and makes people feel uncomfortable or upset. Example: his obnoxious behavior got him kicked out of the party. Optimistic. Hopeful and confident about the future. Example: she remains optimistic despite the challenges. Aloof. Not friendly or forthcoming, cool and distant. Example: he remained aloof from the others, not joining in the conversation. Belligerent. Showing anger and being unfriendly toward others. Example: the belligerent man started a fight in the bar. Skeptical. Not easily convinced, feeling unsure or having questions. Example: she was skeptical about the claims in the advertisement. Meticulous. Showing great attention to detail, very careful. Example: she is meticulous about organizing her files. Adroit. Clever or skillful in using the hands or mind. Example: the adroit carpenter quickly repaired the door. Pretentious. Trying to seem more important than they really are. Example: his pretentious attitude annoyed everyone at the party. Melancholy. A feeling of pensive sadness, typically with no obvious cause. Example: the rainy day added to her feelings of melancholy. Innocuous. It is not hurtful or disrespectful to anyone. Example: the remark seemed innocuous, but it upset him greatly. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.